Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make K-Bomb Tom Yum noodles. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. This includes 2 packs of your preferred instant noodles, 1 cup of rich chicken or vegetable broth, and any desired toppings like shrimp, mushrooms, or a soft-boiled egg. Also, prepare 1 tablespoon of Tom Yum paste and 1 teaspoon of chili oil for that signature kick. Don't forget fresh cilantro and green onions for garnish. Now, let's create that incredible Tom Yum broth. In a small saucepan, heat 1 cup of your chosen broth until it reaches a gentle simmer. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of Tom Yum paste and 1 teaspoon of chili oil, ensuring they are fully dissolved and fragrant. If you're adding protein like shrimp or thinly sliced chicken, add about 4 ounces now and cook until it's just done, usually a few minutes. While your broth is simmering, cook your 2 packs of instant noodles. Follow the package directions carefully, usually boiling for about 2 to 3 minutes until tender. Once cooked, drain the noodles thoroughly and transfer them directly into your serving bowl. Now, carefully pour the hot, aromatic Tom Yum broth, along with any cooked protein, over the prepared noodles. To complete your K-Bomb Tom Yum noodles, add your finishing touches. Sprinkle generously with fresh cilantro and thinly sliced green onions for a burst of freshness. For an extra layer of richness, consider adding a perfectly soft-boiled egg or a squeeze of fresh lime juice for a zesty kick. Serve immediately and savor every delicious spoonful of your homemade creation. And for a truly effortless home, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other amazing deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.